In this video, we'll cover logic branching with polling.com. Logic branching is a powerful tool that creates a dynamic survey experience for your respondents, guiding them through customized paths based on their answers. This makes your surveys smarter and your feedback more meaningful. There are tons of great use cases for adding logic to your surveys, and in polling.com, you can apply logic capabilities to many different question types. Let's dive in and take a look at how logic branching works. First, create or open a survey. Then create or go to the question you'd like to add logic branching, and choose Logic at the bottom. Let's add logic branching to a survey about customer satisfaction. In this example, you can set a path for dissatisfied respondents to answer follow-up questions about improvement areas. Simply select a condition, like if answer is exactly, then choose dissatisfied. Then direct respondents to another relevant question. This keeps the survey focused and engaging. Something to note: you'll need to have the survey questions already created in order to apply logic branching. Once your logic is set up, preview your survey to see the customized paths in action. When you're ready to go, finish setting up the survey. From here, you can copy the link and distribute it. With logic branching, you'll get deeper insights, and your respondents enjoy a more tailored survey experience. Sign up today and get the information you need with polling.com.